In this video, we will review the Alronox automatic ironing machine and see if it's actually worth the price. So you can see right here that one of it costs around 9,600 pesos, while you can buy 3 and save 15% and buy 2 and save 10%. So the reviews with this particular product are mixed. Some users reported that they have significant issues with the customer service, long shipping times, and poor performance. Meanwhile, some users are praising its potential as a hands-off dryer and ironer for damp clothes. So performance reviews suggest it dries and smooths garments, but may not achieve the sharp results of a traditional iron. The user experience is hampered by unclear instructions on how it actually works. So with this, customer service experiences are also major negative since some users reported that it's been shipped to them with error or with damage. So it has some reports of undelivered products and lack of communication. So if you're asking if it's worth it, I recommend you to just stick with a traditional iron or just pay someone to do it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.